Can you sing the alphabet?
A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay, what else?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
What's next?
K, E, K, E, C.
How's it go?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Libby. I love you.
Daddy, I don't like that in my eyes.
Okay. Should I turn it off?
Yeah.
Is it too bright?
Yeah.
Does it hurt your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy, turn it off.